Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade gold on XRM trading. And for this we go right here on this bar and we search on this bar for commodities. Then right here we have gold and we click here on gold, and then right now we want to buy gold. So we click here on buy and we can decide if you want to buy it as a quantity like 1 troy ounce, or we can buy in lots. Then from here we can also set a nice order for buy price when. So you can choose here when he needs to buy gold when a price hits the amount that you like. And if we want to set a take profit or stop loss, we can also do that. Then after that we do place order, and then right now you have bought 1 troy ounce for that price. So this is how we can trade in gold. Hopefully this was a video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.